All together now, good medical morning. This is Watson from World's Greatest Medical. While you take a look at some of my favorite pops, click that subscribe button for new updates several times a week. Don't forget about that notification bell. Let's take a look at this removal. What do you think, folks? Is this a mole or some other growth? As you take a look at some excellent ear blackheads, comment below, would you be interested in joining us for live premieres and live chats? Why not? Also, check out this cool Photoshop ear blackhead. Awesome. Kinda looks real. I might need to make it the thumbnail. Very cool. Now, let's take a look at some pimple popper tools.
Hey folks, to get rid of blackheads and blemishes the right way, get a Comedone extractor kit. This one here is the best we could find. It has a high quality to price ratio. It's got solid steel instruments, a compact case for traveling, and a good variety of tools for all your needs, including a lancet for whiteheads. Using an extractor like this is the easiest and safest method, as it reduces the chances of scarring and secondary infection. Use the Amazon link below to get a kit of your very own.